First of all, an earthquake has struck New York and Washington today. There are victims.
I'm looking for Craig Lalore, and he was with Cantor Fitzgerald on the 104th floor, Tower 1.
Brother.
A brother.
I don't feel much like sleeping right now, and I thought I could be of some kind of help.
They're going to coordinate us in, I believe, it could be any moment, it could be another hour, we don't know.
I think that most people are here just to show their support for people who are coming out to, save what might be down there still, and just to show support that we as New Yorkers are a city united.
Matt and I tend to be kind of like pretty patriotic about this country.
We felt that this was a place where we were needed today, and we felt that this is where our hearts were.
I see the people, I see the pain, I see the anger.
Mayor Giuliani estimates a few thousand people may have died in each of the World Trade Center towers, crews combing through them.
We talked to my mom at 9:15 in the morning after the plane struck his building.
We're looking for Jason Zafazio.
My brother, Richard Perlman.
It's my cousin, Jim Greenleaf.
Everybody just trying to get information. There's a lot of rumors, and we're trying to get through the rumors into some hard facts, but it's very difficult.
They're best friends. They both worked together. They grew up together. They did everything together.
We're just hoping and keeping hope alive.
He was in school when it happened, and he looked out the window and saw it explode. And once I heard from him, I said, we have to thank God for our blessings every day. I don't know in the morning when I say goodbye to you what might happen that day.
If you come with other people, you really get a sense of, it's a sense of camaraderie that you feel with the people around you, even though you don't know them.